Alright guys, we made it out here to the lake. We're out here doing some fishing. We have my cousin Owen, Justin. We're gonna see if we can't catch some walleye, some perch or whatever. So yeah, just stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So Justin just found this rod holder in the ice over here. Come on, break it out. Oh, perfect.
Working condition. I don't have any of these rods, so you can have it.
Okay, thank you. Walked away with a good souvenir today. Hopefully we get some bites soon, guys.
Huh?
I don't know, in like 2 seconds.
I don't know. Look at that sunset though.
They probably just forgot it.
It's looking good. He's gone, guys. He said his mom called and he had to go home. Alright guys, so it's like about 2 weeks from what you guys just saw. We didn't catch any fish, but I'm gonna go back out tonight with Jacob and my buddy Willem. So yeah, we're gonna get geared up and grab all this stuff and go out and hopefully we catch some fish tonight. If not, well, better luck next time, I guess. Can't take the rev today because it's got no secondary on it. Kept blowing belts. This is a new belt I got. And then another one down there is for my dad's buddy because I borrowed his spare belt and then that one blew up too. So my guess was that the clutches were out of alignment, but they weren't. And then I saw that the helix here was like wobbling back and forth. And then turns out this it's like lock that goes that like locks into place right here. It snapped, so it was like all wobbly and not good. So I had to get some more of those. And yeah, hopefully that'll be good and up and running for the weekend, but we're gonna have to take the touring right there. Look who's decided to show up. Prime it there.
Dude, I got dogs.
You got hot dogs? Perfect. Come on. What?
I tried to get as much out there, but there's
Holy! This is from last time I went out. It's pretty packed. Can you turn?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, you want to gas that thing up?
Yeah.
The shed, checking if we got some premix in here. look like we have premix. Well, that's not good. Got premix in there. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go there. Might roll it. Just gonna go down here. Dude, my dad has to have some somewhere for his chainsaw. Oh yeah, that would be it for sure. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Here, you.
That shit. I could probably hold the rods. You want me to just hop on the back?
Yeah. Are you good? Right about here. Look at that thing just bombing through the snow.
It's like he's fucking trekking through the jungle.
Yeah, it's like he's trekking through the jungle. Whew.
You got it, guys.
Hang on.
Save us fucking from mankind here and fucking pull that thing. There we go. One more. Okay. Side up, boys.
Oh, it's blowing. Dude, it's so windy.
My side's up here, boys.
Alright.
Hey boys, welcome back to another Tyler Bujo video. Make sure to sub. We're all here in the ice shack. We're doing some fishing, cooking up some dogs, and got the heater and shit and stuff. And we're in an ice storm or a snowstorm. If I open up this door really quickly behind me, you'll see in a second we're if you can see that.
Yeah, maybe.
We're in a snowstorm, so it's gonna be pretty scary. And time update, it is it's 5:50. If we don't make it back, this is when we this is when we disappeared. Stay tuned, guys.
Great intro, Jacob. We got Wilhelm right there. Wilhelm. Oh yeah. Cook those dogs. Gotta get like some cinematics.
You were like a little sprinkle in front of the camera. Fucking lame. Let me try again. Ready?
I've never heard somebody say
Yeah, gotta get the
cinematics.
cinematics.
Some dogs real quick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Let's get ready.
It's gonna fucking splash zone. Ready?
Go. Oh, we burnt all the fun out of it.
Alright guys, so we didn't catch anything. We're about to leave. William caught one.
I got one, yeah.
Like he caught a small one. I just said we didn't catch anything, but he actually caught one. Just wasn't on camera. I'll throw a picture up on the screen right here. Yeah, so we're in a snowstorm right now, so I'll throw the GoPro on and film the ride back home. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so We're like literally in a snowstorm right now. You can like barely see those people's houses. And over there, there's a pack of overhead, but like look at this. So wish us luck. Get them back home. I'll film with the GoPro a little bit and see where I can get.
You just plow into your snowdrift. That's awesome. Look at that thing. Woo! It's deep. Uh-oh. What happened?
I think it overheated.
Actually,
Just wait, turn that off for a sec.
what happened?
This one came on. This light came on.
Look,
Let me. I'll get my phone out. Fucking shine the light. See, look, yeah, it's on.
yeah, I mean it's overheated.
How long
Probably
does
because you got snow in the radiator.
that, how long
Like
does
in the front here.
How long does it take to cool off?
Well, you gotta get the snow out.
Here.
You got a light?
Yeah.
It's this thing right here.
What thing?
This,
That thing?
yeah. I bet you the fan's all frozen.
So am I fucked?
I mean, you could sit here and let it cool down, but it might take a while.
How long?
Like 10 minutes. I bet you it's already off.
I know, but wait. No, it's still on.
Shit. Alright, I think it's probably
Oh.
fine now. Go check on it.
You want to check there? It's not on yet, so.
Alright, just start driving it.
Alright, so we just made it back home. Everything's real snowy. Like, check out his bike. This is what we have problems with, is overheating. The radiator, there's snow everywhere in here. Like, look at that. Snow inside, probably should have kept the doors on it. We're in a freaking snowstorm. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go leave a like, subscribe, and see ya! Bye.